Good morning. Today we're going to be working on putting the skin on the bus.
Yes, and by skinning, we mean putting the sheet metal on.
Yes.
So we just cut out some pieces to fit over the windows, and so that's what Jeff is kind of dry fitting right now on the bus. So far doing pretty well. Pre-drilling the holes, and then we'll practice some riveting.
Alright, so the first step in skinning the back of this bus, and since we're going to be skinning from the rear to the front so that water doesn't come in through our seams while we're driving, we have to skin the back of the bus first. And the first step is getting these radius corners put on the end of the bus. So much of this is going to be getting the lines looking right. And knowing what's going to be hidden by the next sheet and what's going to be there forever. It looks pretty good, but let me get my tape measure and find out. How's that look to you? Like this. I just need you to push with the handle right here as hard as you can. So just position your body. You gotta push and hold. Okay? Push.
Definitely my back.
Drilling into the hammer. Definitely, if your back is hurting you now, you need to push in a good. All right, push again. Not right there, because I need to put this through the hole.
Oh.
So push to one side or the other of the hole. There you go.
That's it?
Yep. So now, push this direction right here.
I can't see if it's like touching.
Push right around that hole that I drilled. Glico.
What's that?
Huh?
What is that thing?
So it goes in the hole, skinny, and then when I release it, it gets fat. Holds it tight. Okay, so push there again. Okay. So now, can you push right here, this direction? Push again. Push hard. Right where this pin is, close to it so I can get that gap as tight as I can. Good. Alright. preparation for skinning the bus, we gotta put this air intake back on for the engine vent. So the engine vent is right here, and so we'll just cut it down so it fits in that section there. Yep.
Okay.
Because we're,
I don't know if I'll be able to get one there.
We'll see.
You have to bend it a little bit.
Yeah, and that'll come as we bend it around.
Okay.
But not yet.
Oh.
It's going to be after I get this piece in.
Okay.
So first thing, I need you to actually put goop on this. And then I'm going to remove the caution gun. So once that's gooped, I'm going to come in here and come in, unless we want to goop it, and then it's these holes you're drilling through.
Oh, that might, well, it's still going to be goopy though.
That's fine.
Yeah, no, I was thinking of the goofiness on the drill bit.
Yeah, but I'm saying that's fine.
Okay.
So let's actually get this in first.
Okay.
And then I can maybe glue up from underneath from out here.
How come
Give your gloves back. So.
it goes under? That?
And under this guy too.
Oh.
That's fine, that's as far as it goes.
Oh,
actually.
okay.
Too far. again. So you're able to see all the areas you need to drill.
I see all the holes, yes.
As I'm gooping. But we're gonna have to drill and rivet as we go.
Okay.
So start on this side.
Okay. Drill?
Yep. Yep, it is pushing. Okay. Good. All right, let me put a rivet in that.
Okay.
That'll help with the pushing. So is there another one next to it? Okay. All right. Next one. Push out.
That?
Kind
Second.
of right here's
Oh, right there?
yeah, right in the corner. I need to get the corner set. Okay, move to your left a little.
Okay.
Okay. All right. A couple rivets in there. Maybe. Huh.
Where are you trying to go? Oh, I see there. So I thought it went this thing, then this thing.
This. I guess this back piece could go underneath this.
That's what I thought you said.
Yeah, and it can still do that because we haven't attached it anywhere.
So you don't want me to drill these anymore then?
I will need you to drill some holes. I just need to do some shaping
Okay.
prior to that. I gotta shape this upper piece.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights.
There you go. All right, right there.
And I really wanna know,
You can relax. Yep.
if I never figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. jumping
So
from
how
cliffs
can
so
I find the
high,
center?
trusting our wings to
Right
fly.
there. Okay.
Sometimes we're crashing down.
So right
We
here is
get
the center
up
of
and start
the.
from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs.